What is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Today we're gonna be painting Thomas carpets. You know, since it's tan, we're gonna paint them black. We said we was gonna do this a long time ago, but we just never got to it. You know, it was New Year's, holidays, and plus it's 2018 now. Positive vibes only. Ain't that right, Thomas?
Yeah, you know how we going.
A big T in the back. Positive vibes only. We're gonna do this video. We were supposed to be doing it like last week, but it snowed and you know it was terrible. I had to take my wheels off and everything, but we're back at it with the videos. Hopefully we can upload weekly again starting 2018, right, Thomas?
Yeah.
Hey, it's been like a month or two since we painted the seats, and look, they're still beautiful. We're about to transform these carpets. But Thomas, come here. I want to show the subscribers something. What happened? What happened here, man?
I was at work, man, and this bumper came off, and Sammy came home, and he told me, "Where's your bumper?" And I was like, "Shit." So I lost that shit. We went to go look for it, and that shit was gone, man.
It was in pieces.
Yeah. So
like how you was driving and you didn't feel like you ran over it.
Music, man.
Yeah, that's what. It's not good listening to loud music sometimes, because Thomas ran over his bumper. He didn't even notice, and when we went back, it was pieces. So expect like a video on installing it again. We're not gonna do repeat videos, but you know, we'll buy more goodies for BMWs.
Tell us guys which bumper you want me to buy.
M3, M-Tech, or CSL.
Yeah, I think M-Tech too.
Alright, so we're about to take out the seats again. So Thomas, I'll let you do that.
Alright.
I don't want to work. Alright, while Thomas take off the seats, I just want to give y'all another update on the seats. It's still good. I mean, you can see there's little cracks, but I think that's our seat cracks because it's leather. But we already cleaned the carpet. Don't think we're gonna spray paint it while it's dirty. This is just all stains. Yeah, so that's why we're painting this. We might do the door panels too, but not today. That'll probably be another video. Alright guys, excuse if I look dirty. I just got off of work. I don't usually work on Saturdays, but I did today. But I take out the seat again. I just want to show you guys how dirty it is and why we're painting this. Alright guys, we already got the seats out, as you can see. Badass red seat, custom seats by CG, Cervantes Garage. But let's take a look at the car. This is why we spray painting the carpets before any hater start commenting, like when we got haters commenting about our seats. But this is why. You see all the black stuff, all the stains. We're about to go ahead and vacuum it and get started. Ain't that right, Thomas?
Yes.
Hopefully this goes good. Guys, we should have thought about this before we took out the seats, but I'm about to take the car on the back end so we can vacuum it. But yeah, let's see how it goes.
My foot on the gas, I live what I dream now. And you mad cause I brag, I go get the bag, they know I'm a cash cow. For my haters, I ball out. Got the money, don't need the clout. Whoa, whoa, smoking gas by the I got the smoke all in my clothes. This the life I chose. Bitches taking off their clothes and want me to take them home.
Alright guys, well here goes nothing. Let's do this carpet. Alright guys, we're really not gonna max the dashboard or nothing, like the center console or nothing like that, because we're gonna paint this black anyway. So might as well just get some overspray, you know, so we can get motivated and work on it sooner. But here we go. Alright guys, we're taking a short break because as again we don't got the max. But yeah, it's looking really good. Talking about my car, I want to give you a few updates. I think I'm gonna redo the whole car again. I've been having a lot of bad luck. I've been pulled over twice already. My tires popped. What else, Thomas? What else happened to
your tent?
Oh yeah, I took off my tent. I'm trying to re-tent that too. Thomas cracked his bumper. I don't know, we've been having a lot of bad luck. We didn't start 2018 good, but we're switching that around already.
And 2019 so, our year.
Yeah, we already fucked up on 2018. 2019 is our year for sure. So you guys, I already took off my tent, but it's okay. We're here. The Cervantes garage always do everything DIY. Yeah. Okay guys, so we already finished one can and this is all we did. The other side is way darker. I think we're gonna have to go buy a new one. Well, buy two more, but yeah, I'll pick it up if we don't finish it with this can. Okay guys, it looks way better to me. Go ahead and show them, Thomas. How you feel about it, Thomas?
I changed the whole car from the inside, man. It looked nice.
Yeah, like you happy about it, man?
Yeah, dude.
Hey, we're still not done. We just put the seats to see what spots we need, like, so we won't waste a lot of paint. But I think once Thomas paint all these 10 pieces, the door panels, it'll look way better. It'll black it out more. But it looks way better, dude. Not gonna lie. It almost looked like mine. Let me go ahead and show you guys mine. My car is dirty. Don't mind it. Yeah, it's really dirty. But yeah, it looks way better. Let me open the back door. I'm gonna show y'all the other side. We still got a little work to do right there, but overall it looks really good. Not gonna lie, for $7 spray can, it looks really good. And once these door panels and everything be blacked out, it'll look good. Okay guys, we already noticed all the spots we need to paint where it's noticeable. We're not trying to waste too much paint, but we only used 3 so far and I think it did it. We're gonna buy some more for the door panels and trim pieces. But what we did notice, this paint is sticking way better than the paint did with the seats. Ain't that right, Thomas? Yes. I don't know why. Maybe because it's a different material, but it was sticking really good. So if you want to do this to your carpet, I recommend it, especially if it's dirty. And if you don't like the tan one, like Thomas.
Can't sleep, I thought I'd die. And yeah, I'm caught in your high tide. No. Hey, rock stars getting high. Ask me how I do it, like I'm not afraid of heights. My dreams, nightmares, this shit feel like real life. All she wanna do is party, she don't wanna sit tight. Out of town making plays, I was caught up in the moment. Asked her what.
Guys, this is where I'm gonna end the video. It looks really good. They transformed the car. Transform it, man. We can do everything here in Cervantes garage, $7. So stay tuned for more videos on the interior. Alright guys, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. It's getting cold and it's getting dark already. A lot of you guys been asking me about the Angel Eyes, and I found this dope website, a BMW website that will let you get it for the low. I think it's like $40, and everywhere else it's like $60. It's a hookup, and if you click on the link down below where I have it linked, you'll get like free shipping or something like that. But a lot of y'all guys wanted it, the Angel Eyes that flicker, so there you go. I found you guys. I got y'all with the hookups. But let me know if you enjoyed the video. As always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.
She gon' fuck me like a porn star, a rock star, trying to skirt off in that fast car, like NASCAR. Girl, you know I got a cold heart. If I would give it to you, would you tear that shit apart? Red roses on my grave, bury me with art.